Okay, Getik 14Q. And so a regular game here. Let's say hello. No handicap. I'll take another corner. And then I'll take a 4 3-point as well as a 4 4-point. 4 variety. He approaches. Can attach underneath, I think. Extend. And then jump out. Oh, actually, I think it's the one space jump here is normally played. Yeah. Okay, so he's branching out in this direction. Now let's kind of restrict him there. And well, we'll lean in this direction. See if we can cut this stone off. He jumps into the corner. He hanes right away. So I can hane back. And then connect. And then I can hane on top like that. So I can let him live in the corner, but he'll have a small space. And I'm going to hane again. I don't know. Can he cut? He didn't bother to cut here. I want to protect this particular cut so that if he cuts here, I can hane and drive him this way, and then these stones can branch out in this direction. Okay, so he's got way too much influence over here. Let's let's try and break this up a little bit. Let's do the jump into the corner like he did. Okay, that move is a mistake. Let's see if I can remember why. Ah, yeah, it's because of this cut. You make the cut here, and this stone is attacking these 3 stones, and they're kind of cut off. And if he protects this stone, then you actually capture these guys. Aren't I capturing those guys? I had Tari here. He connects. Yeah, I'm still capturing them. I had Tari here, he connects, and then I cut here at N18, or Tari at N18, and he can't escape. So he has to give up those 3 stones. So that was just an example of a Joseki that's played wrong. Of course, I made some mistakes over here in this corner, so that's all fine, I guess. So he decided to enclose me. Here, let's... do I want to take that stone, or is that too small? I'm alive here. I should probably take a big point somewhere else. Can approach over here. Yeah, this is a big side for me. I guess I'll approach from this direction. And okay, so he protects in that direction. Okay, and normally they extend here and I descend, and then I'm alive in the corner. He didn't do that, so I can come out here, protecting these stones, and then I'm going to maybe try and lean on this stone. Let's see if I can keep him from connecting up. Yeah, it looks like I can. Okay. So let's just extend here. Keep those stones from growing. Keep their influence to a minimum here. Okay, so the crosscut. He can Atari, I can extend. Atari here, I extend that way. Maybe I'll just play here and capture those two stones. Is that a reasonable idea? Oh, he doesn't want me to capture anything. Okay. He wants to hold on to everything. It looks kind of weak to me. I don't know how he can really hold on to everything. So this cut here, this Atari here, maybe he can. Maybe he's all protected there. Let's just keep surrounding him then. We'll force him to live, I guess, is what we're doing here. And trying to get some influence ourselves on the outside. Yeah, so he decided to counter our influence by placing a stone here. We can Hane here, get a slightly bigger corner. There's a cut here, so I guess he wants to come back and protect that at some point. Maybe he doesn't want to do it now. He does. And then, okay, so let's start poking at some of these big areas here he's trying to claim. Let's cap this stone. And then, well, let's try and split these guys. See, so if I cut here, how about if I clamp like this? So I can't go there. I can Atari, he can connect. It's Hane on this side. Yeah, he did pretty good there, huh? He managed to survive with that stone. Didn't let me cut him off. There's some things I can poke at over here. Let's go here. Okay, let's try capping again in this direction. Let's see, I don't know, that might get cut off. But this stone is kind of weak, I was thinking. Okay, and so he decided not to really contest that too much. So we'll wedge here, or clamp. So I can Atari that stone. And just connect here. I don't know, he can Hane at the head of 3 stones here. Okay, he's winning 1 stone there. I'm not too worried about that. Okay, let's poke in here. Let's poke from this side. And jump out over here. And then let's turn here. And connect there. Okay, so he wants to hane that stone. It's building something out over here, I guess. Okay. Yeah, let's turn here first. Hane again. Extend. And let's jump out over here. I was thinking, yeah, he's not really building much over here, but I see he has building plans, doesn't he? Okay, so I can cut in here. I was thinking maybe this is worth something. Maybe not. Yeah, so he managed to get more territory here than I was intending. Let's look around. Okay, that's an Atari there. Just want to kind of reduce these areas if I can. So the Atari here is met by the capture there. So let's connect. And he protected that. I go here and he extends. This is an Atari on that group there. So let's see what I can eat up from this side of his territory. Eating him up from the inside. Okay, I can kind of poke at this cut here. He wants to take that stone. Does that matter? Like if I go here, he takes Atari. Well, I'm not quite connected there, am I? Let's go here and see what he does. Okay, so I can Atari here, but he protected the cut there. Can go here. There. Yeah, maybe that's as far as I can get. Go there. I guess I could hane here and here. Yeah, and he's starting to do things like that. Okay, so if he cuts here, I extend. He cuts here, I extend. I guess I need to connect, don't I? Sadly. Let's block here. Yep, so he's playing the end game now. And we'll see how it's turned out. I have some decent territory here, but he got a lot here and here. Not too happy with this game, really. Let's poke in here. So if I clamp here, he can connect or he can extend. If he extends, then I can Atari. And he can extend again and I can capture. So I can get away with this. I can get away with that clamp. Okay, so he connected there. I can protect my territory here. So I can hane here and connect. And I think he needs to, maybe he didn't actually, because it runs into the cut here. Yeah, he's protecting those when he doesn't actually need to, because the cut there, he can just run and connect up. So this gains me one space here. This looks like actually a big move here, isn't it? Let's connect. So I have 3 corners and this space in the middle. He has this corner which is small, but he has territory on the side and this region here and here. Hard to say. I guess defending the center here is the next step. Okay, let's block here. Okay, I don't have to connect just yet, so let's go back to the center. And connect up like that, so settle that boundary. And settle this one. Let's stay connected here. Yeah, I don't want to give up those stones. I've been making little mistakes like that. So if I go here, this is all connected to this side, so I don't actually need to connect there. I do want to keep him out, and if I go here and he cuts here, that's an Atari. So let's go here instead and let him extend if he wants to. Then I can Atari this stone and play under here, connect, and I can do something similar over here. And here and connect. But, well, I guess I first kind of want to see if this is alive over here. So if I go here, and he blocks, I have to connect. So let's connect first. And I mean, if I go here and he blocks, okay, so I think he's going to respond to this one, so he's going to come back there. Now if he cuts here, I can just extend and connect up this way. If he goes here, I can connect this way. He can go there. Actually, that's a little bit of a problem. Let's Hane here first. Then let's extend in here. He connects. He can't actually connect. He has to come back. Can extend again. Then he can block. Can he live in that space? And let's just throw in a stone and see. Let's just throw in there and see if he's really alive there. I think he is. Like he's got a potential eye over here, and a potential eye here, and a potential eye here. And I can force him to connect. And then here. And now he's alive. So he got one eye there and one eye there. Just managed to survive. Now the question is, yeah, if he goes here, I capture. If he goes here, I connect. So that doesn't actually do anything. And these borders are all shored up. This is a dame point, I believe. That is that anything? Let's just connect there. I mean, it doesn't, oh, that's right, I was forgetting about that. Forgetting about that point. Okay, do I have any other like points that I could pick up? He can connect there. Could extend here. But this group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 6 spaces. Actually, is that alive? Let's play there and then see if that's alive. This looks like it's alive. I think I actually came out ahead in territory. If you look at this space compared to this plus this, and then plus I have all the corners. I mean, I'm behind, but I have all the corners and he doesn't have a whole lot else. So let's pass and see how right I was. Oh, I'm way ahead. Oh, but it's not counting this correctly. Here, let's count this correctly because I gave him that. But I'm ahead by 30 points. Okay, well, let's say good game. Thought that was pretty interesting. I thought in the end game he was giving me more credit than I deserved. Yeah, so I won by 25 points. Anyway, nice game. I guess I will upload this and see you guys later. Bye.